Hello, good day everyone. So, I am Miss Nicole Endong Agan, BS Ed Math 2. So, for today's video, we are going to talk about or to solve the surface area of three-dimensional figures. Specifically, these four, the cylinder, the rectangular prism, cube, and spheres. So, are you ready? Okay, so first, we are going to talk about the surface area of a cylinder, or how do you pronounce it? Okay, the surface area of a solid is the sum of the area of all the faces. So, i-add lang natin, no? I-add, and then multiply, and then add. So, accordingly, there are steps for finding surface area. So we have two steps. First is to find the area of each face. So we are going to find muna in order for us to solve. Okay, and then the second one, add up all the areas. So that means in finding the cylinder, we have two areas, and then all we have to do is to add and then we have a answer. Okay, so eto na, surface area of a cylinder has two areas, so all you have to do is to add. So the first area will be the areas top and bottom circles, so the 2 pi r. So since there are two, so yung r natin, yung radius natin is, we are going to put the square. Okay? So, yung mangyayari is, the first formula will be 2 pi r squared. Okay? Kasi may top and bottom man yung area ng circle. Okay? And then the other one, yung rectangular or the height of the cylinder. Okay? The height of the cylinder is the area of rectangle. So we have A is equal to H times 2 pi r. So all in all, pag i-add natin siya, we have the area, the surface area na of a cylinder. So that means ang area ng cylinder is equal to 2 pi r squared plus H multiplied to 2 pi r. Okay, are we clear? Okay, so for the next slide, we have, okay, we are going to solve na, okay. As you can see, we have the radius of 25 inches, okay? And then the height of the cylinder is 40 inches, okay? So, steps. We have steps to follow in order to solve this surface area of a cylinder. Okay, first step is to find the radius and height. So, hahanapin natin yung radius and the height. So, it is very obvious. Yung height is 40 inches. Okay, or the rectangular area. And then the radius is very obvious, is 25 inches. So, yun yung step 1. Step 2, substitute and multiply. So, we are going to substitute. Okay, surface area is equal to 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r times height. Okay, so we are going is equal to 2 pi, yung radius is 25, so squared plus 2 pi, yung radius, value ng radius is 25, multiplied to height, which is 40. So, you have, padayin ta, 2 pi squared ng 25. So, we are going to use the calculator. Okay. 25 squared will be 625. So, we have 2 pi 625 plus 2 pi. I-multiply natin yung radius times height, which is 25 times 40 is equal to 1,000. So we have now 2 pi 625 plus 2 pi times 1,000. So, i-multiply naman natin yung 2 times 625. So, 2 times 625 will be 1,250 pi. Plus, multiply na 2 times 1,000 equals 2,000 pi. So, i-add natin yung dalawa. 1,250 plus 2,000 is equal 3,250 pi inches squared. So, that is the surface area of a cylinder if we have the radius 25 inches and the height is 40 inches. Am I clear? Okay, so I hope you understand and I hope you learned it. Okay, so move on. Move on to the surface area of rectangular prism. Okay, dito na naman tayo. Okay, the question is, how do we find the surface area of rectangular prism? Paano? So, we are going to use this equation. The given is surface area is equal to 2 multiplied to L multiplied to H plus 2 multiplied to H multiplied to W plus 2 multiplied to L multiplied to W. Okay, just so you know, L is the length, W is the width, and then the H is the height. Okay, it is very clear. Okay, so if we have a rectangular prism, yung height niya is 4 inches, and then the length is 10 inches, and then the width is 3 inches. So, we are going to same lang from the we have to substitute the given number. So, SA is equal to 2, and then the given number of length will be 10, and then the height will be 4 plus 2. The height is 4 times the width is 3 plus 2 times the length is 10 and the width is 3. So we are going to multiply. First, we are going to multiply. So 2 times 10 times 4 is equal to 80. So the first one is 80. And then next is 2 times 4 times 3 is equal to 24. And the next is 2 times 10 times 3 is equal to 60. So, 80 plus 24 plus 60, all in all, we have 164 inches squared. So, this is the surface area of rectangular prism if we have 10 length, 4 inches height, and 3 inches width. So basically, you find the area of each side and multiply by 2. So it is very basic and very understanding. Okay, are we clear? I hope we are, because we are going to move on for the next surface area of figure, which is the surface area of cube. Okay, so how do we find the surface area of cube? Paano? Okay. For information lang how we can use the in finding the area of cube, we can use the formula of rectangular prism, the 2 times L times height plus 2 times height times width plus 2 times L times width. Okay, we can use that, but however, in this video I am going to use the area is equal to 6s squared. Okay, because it is very basic and dali lang kaayo siya gamiton, so we are going to use it. So okay, now if your cube has a height 10 centimeter, width of 10 centimeter, and length of 10 centimeters, so what is the area of the cube? So if we have that values, so first we have to substitute it. So area is equal to 6, so yung side 10 centimeter. So we are going to write 10 squared 2. So very basic, is equal to the squared of 10 is 100. So 6 times 100 is equal to 600 centimeters squared. Therefore, if our cube has a 10 centimeter height, 10 centimeter width, and 10 centimeter length, so we have the surface area of a cube 600 centimeter squared. Okay, are we clear? Okay, I hope so. We are, because it is very basic. Okay, let's move on to, I think, to the last surface area of figure, which is the sphere. Okay, so in sphere, lateral surface area of cylinder, so yung cylinder equals surface area of sphere. So yung cylinder equals area of sphere. So, 'di ba? Alam naman natin kung ano yung dalawa, similar. They have a similar kasi hahanapin natin yung yung sa circle, area of a circle, and then the height, which is the rectangle. However, the surface area of a sphere is given 4 pi r squared. That is the formula. Okay, so surface area of sphere. So we have a problem. We have a problem here. Okay. If a football of a diameter 22 centimeter is to be made, then how much of leather sheet will it need? So, ilan kaya yung kailangan? Ilang centimeter? So, if the given is, we have the diameter 22 centimeter. However, yung formula natin is, the formula of the sphere is 4 pi r squared. So we are asked the radius, and then yung given is the diameter. So all we have to do is to get the radius of the diameter 22 centimeter. So yung half, so 'di ba yung half ng diameter is radius, so that means half of 22 is the radius. So ilan? We have 11 centimeter. So that is 22 centimeter. The radius of that is 11 centimeters. So solution, we are going to solve it. Alright, so substitute natin for pi. Pi is 3.14, and then radius squared, so 11 squared. So we are going to use the calculator. 4, so yung 4 times pi, which is 3.14. 3.14 yung lang yung gagamitin natin, times squared of 11. So the answer will be 1519.76 so centimeter squared. That means the need The required area of leader sheet will be 1,519.76 centimeters squared. Okay, take note ha. Do not forget to write or to add the unit because it is very important. If you are going to miss it, then you are wrong because it is one of the important to do in solving the area, okay? So, kailangan natin yung step 1, find the radius and height, okay? And then step 2, substitute and multiply, and then we are going to add, and then the last is we have to write the units in order for us to have a correct answer. Okay. I hope we are clear, and I hope you guys will can learn my lesson for today's video. So again, I am Miss Nicole and Dong Agan, BS Ed Math 2 of WIMSU EPL. Good day again. Thank you.